Hey folks, one way we've worked to level up our lean culture is by hosting regular factory tours. That meant getting the plant tour ready and sustaining that level every single day. It took a lot of effort to get going, but the payoffs have been worth it. Stronger 3S, greater team pride, clearer blind spots, fresh ideas, and we've gotten into the habit of explaining lean ideas and behaviors on the spot. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a perfect company to host a tour, but I guarantee that hosting tours will help perfect your company. So if you're serious about building a lasting lean culture, open up the doors and get started. Last week, we were honored to host Cal McCoster from SDC Trailers in Northern Ireland, along with two of his Chinese colleagues. This was our 12th tour of the year, and in this video, you'll get a glimpse of what a visit to our factory looks like. Thanks so much.